Exercise 8.2, question number 1, fourth part. Evaluate the value of this expression, right? So see, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Just substitute the values. Tan 45 is 1, we can write it as 1 by 1. Cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Right? Secant 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3. Cos 60, 1 by 2. It is reciprocal of tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, so reciprocal is again 1. Just substitute the values. Then simplify it. We can simplify here. Yes. First take the LCM. 2, 1 and root 3. LCM will be 2 root 3. Read the table of 2. Root 3 into 1. We have root 3. Plus 1. By which number we multiply 1 so that we get 2 root 3? 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 into 1. 2 root 3 minus root 3 multiply by which number so that we get 2 root 3? 2. 2 2s are 4. Now again take the LCM in the denominator also. Root 3, 2 and 1. So LCM is 2 root 3 again. It will be 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into 1. Root 3 1 का टेबल रीड करेंगे 2 root 3 टाइम्स जाएगा. Right? This is a symbol for division. So 2 root 3, 2 root 3 cancel out. Now collect the like terms. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4, and it is root 3 plus 2 root 3 again 3 root 3 plus 4. Right? Now we have to rationalize. Again binomial is there, so we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of this, that is 3 root 3 minus 4, and here again 3 root 3 minus 4. Right? Then we have to simplify it. See, in the numerator we apply a minus b whole square. Why? Because it will be 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. And in denominator we apply a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Right. So see how we simplify it. A minus b whole square. A square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second term. First term into second term. In denominator a square minus b square. See here, 3 square yani 3 into 3 9, and root 3 into root 3 3. 9 into 3 27. Minus sign is there. 4 square is 60. 3 root 3 square means 3 3s are 9, and root 3 into root 3 3. That means 9 3s are 27. Plus 16. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Root 3. Now see, collect the like terms, add them. We have 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Exercise 8.2, question number 3. tan of a plus b is root 3 and tan of a minus b is 1 by root 3 is given to us, and we have to find out the value of a and b, right? This is given to us. So we can replace this root 3 by tan 60 because we know tan 60 is root 3. So we write tan 60 in place of root 3, right? Both the trigonometric functions are same, so this implies, therefore, or you can say implies, a plus b is equal to 60 degree, right? Similarly here, 1 by root 3 is replaced by tan 60. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 we replace by tan 30. So tan they cancel out, and obviously if the trigonometric functions are same here, they are equal to each other, so we can equate their angles. So a minus b is equal to 30 degree. That means we have two equations, a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30, right? So we solve them by elimination method, and both the equations, b minus b cancel out, and we have 2a is equal to 90. So a is 90 by 2, it will be 45. So the value of a is 45 degree. And substitute the value of a either in this equation or this, right? As we know, a minus b is 30, replace a by 45, we have this, and shift the 45 term this over here, we have minus b is equal to minus 15, minus minus cancel out, so we have b is equal to 15. So angle A is 45 or angle B is 15, or you can say the value of A is 45 degree and B is 15. Exercise 8.2, question number 4. State true or false, justify your answer. First part is sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Right? You have to prove that is it true or false. So let's take an example. If we take A equal to 60 degree and B equal to 30 degree, right? So first we find out LHS. LHS means this side. Substitute the value of A and B here, that is 60 plus 30, which is sine 90, and we know that the value of sine 90 is 1, right? Then we solve RHS. Sine A means sine 60 plus sine B, that is sine 30. Sine 60, the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. If we take the LCM, then it is root 3 plus 1, right? And the value of root 3 is 1.73 approx. So it will be 2.73 divided by 2. Clearly it is not equal to 1, right? So that means LHS is not equal to RHS. So this statement is false. You have to give the reason. Question number 4th, second part, exercise 8.2. See, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. So we note down all these values. Theta 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. We know their values. When it is 0, when the angle is 30 degree, it is 1 by 2, approx 0. It is exactly 0.5. Sin 45 1 by root 2, the value of root 2 is 1.41 approx and it will be 0.7. Similarly, you can find out the value of sin 60. You know the value of sin 60, root 3 by 2, that is 1.73 by 2, approx 0.8, and sin 90 1. So it is very clear that the value of theta, as the theta increases, see 0, 30, 45, the values are also increasing, 0, 0.5, 0.7, 0.8 and finally 1. So it is true, and you have to give the reason. Exercise 8.2, question number 4, third part. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Is it true or false? So first let's check the angles. We take theta 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. When it is 0, then cos 0 is 1. When it is 30, value you know, root 3 by 2, that is finally this, and it will be 0.8 approx. Cos 45 1 by root 2, root 2 is 1.41, that is 0.7 approx. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 0.5, cos 90 is 0. So see, as theta increases, the value of cos theta decreases. See 1, 0.8, 0.7, 0.5, 0. जैसे जैसे आप थीटा की वैल्यू बढ़ा रहे हैं तो cos थीटा की वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो रही है, इंक्रीज नहीं हो रही है, राइट? So you have to give all this information and it is false. Why? It is true only when the value of cos theta decreases as theta increases. जैसे जैसे थीटा की वैल्यू बढ़ाओगे cos थीटा की वैल्यू जो है आपकी डिक्रीज होगी, इंक्रीज नहीं होगी, डिक्रीज हो रही है. देखिए 1, 0.8, 0.7 and finally it is 0. Question number 4, fourth part, exercise 8.2. Cos theta is equal to sin theta for all values of theta. Is it true for all values of theta? No. Let's check. It is true only when theta is 45. So if it is written over there for some value of theta, then it is true when theta is 45, because cos 45 1 by root 2 and sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. Only in that case both are equal to each other. For all values of theta we cannot say that both are equal to each other. Let's take theta equal to 30 degree. Now see, we substitute the value of theta in both the sides. Cos 30, first we check out LHS. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is 1.732 divided by 2 and approx 0.8. And in RHS, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. So see, here it is 0.8 and here it is 0.5. That means LHS is not equal to RHS, right? So cos theta equal to sin theta for all values of theta. This is false. This statement is false and you have to give the reason. Question number 4, fifth part, exercise 8.2. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Is this statement true or false? Let's check. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A, right? And we have to check for A equal to 0. So if we put A equal to 0 degree here, then it will be tan 0 degree, and we know tan 0 is 0, right? So it is not defined. As it is infinity, it is not defined, right? So you have to give the reason. So the statement is true. Why? Because it is not defined when A is 0. You have to give the reason.